What if the secret to reversing brittle bones isn't in a pharmacy? Imagine a simple morning habit that acts like a structural repair crew for your frame. Instead of hard-to-absorb pills, we are using the biological power of 3 specific seeds. B-thymine teas mineral flood perfectly. You can bypass a sluggish gut and feed your bones directly. If you're over 60, it's time to stop the thinning and start rebuilding your strength naturally. Many women over 60 face a silent crisis inside their bones. Standard calcium pills often fail because the body cannot absorb them. As we age, our digestive system becomes much slower and less efficient. Synthetic supplements frequently end up in the wrong places in the body. They can settle in your arteries instead of strengthening your frame. Medical experts call this the calcium paradox of aging bone health. Your bones need a living, bioavailable source of vital minerals daily. Nature provides this through a precise rotation of 3 powerful seeds. Pumpkin, flax, and sesame seeds hold the keys to structural integrity. These seeds match the metabolic windows of your body's internal clock. They provide magnesium and calcium in a form your gut recognizes. This protocol helps your bone-building cells work much harder than before. It stops the cells that break down your skeleton from overworking. Before we dive deeper, please subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast. Now, join our community to master your health with natural, proven steps. Now, let's look at why timing is everything for your bones. We must sync our mineral intake with our natural circadian rhythms. This ensures your skeletal system gets nutrients exactly when needed most. Heavy meals late at night often lead to very poor absorption, but a targeted mineral flood in the morning changes everything fast. Your body is most hungry for bone-building blocks at sunrise. This is how we bypass digestive sluggishness to fortify your frame. Each seed plays a unique role in your new skeletal architecture. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium to activate your bone cells. Magnesium is the spark plug that makes calcium actually work well. Flax seeds provide vital omega-3 south to reduce bone-thinning inflammation naturally. Healthy fats help your body build a flexible and strong matrix. Sesame seeds are nature's most concentrated source of bioavailable calcium. These 3 seeds together create a complete structural support system, but you must prepare them correctly to unlock their hidden power. Raw seeds contain phytic acid, which blocks your mineral uptake completely. Always soak your seeds overnight to neutralize these harmful mineral blockers. Grinding the seeds into a fine powder ensures total digestive absorption. This simple step allows minerals to enter your bloodstream very quickly. Pair your seed rotation with colorful fruits like organic blueberries. Daily blueberries contain antioxidants that protect your bone-building osteoblast cells. Leafy green vegetables like kale provide essential vitamin K for strength. Vitamin K acts like glue to keep calcium inside your bones. A daily walk in the sun provides the necessary vitamin D. Vitamin D is the gatekeeper for all bone-strengthening mineral absorption. Rotate your seeds every morning to keep your metabolism very active. Try mixing your ground seeds into a bowl of warm oatmeal. This creates a gentle, nutrient-dense flood for your morning metabolic window. Consistency is the secret to rebuilding a frame that lasts longer. Your bone health depends on more than just the right seeds. Add weight-bearing exercises to your routine to signal bone growth now. Simple movements like brisk walking or light weights work wonders daily. Gravity helps your bones become denser and much more resilient over time. Don't forget to eat more crunchy vegetables like broccoli and cabbage. These foods provide boron, which helps your body retain vital minerals. Consider adding a high-quality vitamin D3 and K2 supplement safely. Consult your doctor to find the right dosage for your needs. Staying hydrated helps your joints move smoothly while you stay active. The seed rotation protocol is your foundation for a vibrant life. Imagine moving with confidence and strength well into your 80s. Natural healing takes time, but the results are truly life-changing. Your body wants to heal when you give it the right tools. Start your first seed rotation tomorrow morning at the first light. Commit to this rhythmic approach for at least 90 days straight. Monitor how your energy levels and physical stability improve each week. You have the power to rebuild your structural integrity naturally today. Thank you for trusting Wellness Path Podcast. with your health journey. Check out our other videos for more natural wellness secrets soon. Please like this video if you found these tips helpful today. Share this guide with a friend who needs stronger bones. Now, stay strong and keep walking the path to total wellness daily.